viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Health Conscious Team. Today, we are going to tell you about Breadmaker recipes. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get new updates. When bread makers first came out years back, people felt that all you could use them for was plain white bread. Well, that is not even close to being true anymore. There are now dozens of fantastic recipes available for all kinds of bread. What you will find is that the ingredients you use in a bread machine will be a little different than if you were baking bread normally. The results are just as good, however. Below is a selection of recipes that are very simple to make, very affordable, and most of all, deliciously healthy. They only take a few minutes to prepare and the results will make everyone happy. So go ahead and try them out. Crack open your Breadmaker and give one of these yummy recipes a try. Basic white bread. 4 cups water. 2 tablespoons powdered milk. 2 tablespoon oil. I'll usually use canola. Teaspoon salt. 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 of a teaspoon yeast. Just use the standard wet on the bottom, dry on the top mixing process. This is delicious with butter and honey while it is still hot. Grain and honey bread. 3/4 cup warm water. Tablespoon honey, liquid or melted. Tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. Tablespoon lemon juice. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, mixed grain flour is okay too. 1/2 cup rolled oats. Teaspoon granulated yeast. Put the salt in the Breadmaker first, then add all other ingredients except the yeast, oats, and flour. Add the oats and flour. Make a small hole at the top of the dry ingredients for the yeast. Bake as usual. Cheesy buttermilk bread. This yields a moist and tasty loaf. It also stores very well, but you'll probably finish it before that even matters. 1 1/8 cups buttermilk. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoon sugar. 75 cup extra sharp cheddar, grated. Cups bread flour. 5 teaspoons bread machine yeast. Prepare as usual. All wet ingredients first, then the cheese, then dry ingredients, and the yeast on top. Oat bread. Use natural rolled oats. Just put them in a pot with boiling water, and then let them soak until they cool off. Then add the other ingredients and proceed as usual. 1 cup rolled oats. 11 fluid ounces water. Half a teaspoon salt. 3 tablespoons brown sugar. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cups flour. 1 teaspoon yeast. Baking bread is a wonderfully delicious way to add great nutrition to your family's diet. Give the recipes a try and add some flavor to your meals. So guys, I'm all today. This is just an informative video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.